back to CodeSpeak Labs. My name is Zarena, and today we will be learning how to make a post on Instagram on a platform called Canva. I have learned that translating things is important because not everyone knows how to read English or understands it. So I learned this from when I volunteered to help translate papers to parents at a center that is in front of my house. And I saw that once I started translating to them, like to the parents, it was like they started shaking their heads that they understood me when I was translating to them in Spanish. And I think that's important because I think everyone should know what is going on, or what they're reading about, or what something is about in general. So I believe that it's important for people like business owners or just people that are Instagram or on social media platforms, that it's important that their captions or their posts are able to be translated for users or followers that don't speak or understand English, are able to translate that themselves, or Google Translate, or just on the social media platform itself, so they can know what the post is about. And so that's what I will be teaching you guys today. So let's get to it. So we're going to search up canva.com, and you should come to a page like this. And if you don't already have an account, you're going to click on sign up, and sign up with a Google account or with your personal email. And if you don't have a personal email, you can ask a parent to help you sign up. So since I already have my account, I'm going to log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, you should see a page like this, and it gives you all these options you can do, like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, flyers, all these other things. So we're going to click on social media and click on Instagram post. Okay, and so you're just gonna come up. So just a blank page is gonna show up on your screen, and on this side it's going to show you templates. You can click on photos. It's going to show you photos, elements, which are just GIFs, I guess you can say, that you can use, or different shapes. And then text, there's the heading and different stickers you can use. And so for today, we're just going to click on templates, or actually photos. And so we're gonna do Instagram. We're gonna practice how to do an Instagram post today. So since Thanksgiving already passed, we can't use we can, but so we're gonna click on Christmas, since Christmas is around the corner. We're gonna do a Christmas themed post, and you can post this on your personal Instagram account or a business account if you have one. So we're just gonna click on one of these, and I'm gonna click on this one. So it's gonna show up on the page, and you can move the picture. So I'm gonna move it and align it with the page, and then on the corners you can make it big. On the sides you can expand it. So I'm just gonna do it because the longer you expand it, the less you'll be able to see. So moves to the left, and the lower you go, moves to the right. So I think moves right, left, and then the blur of the shadow. And then transparency. It shows I guess how light and bright or dark the shadows looks. So the higher you go, the brighter they show, and the lower you go, the darker the shadow is. 55. And you can choose a different color for the shadowing too. So let me use that one. Okay. And then, so this is just like a different. So then these, where it says hello, like these three down here are just effects for the font, as you can see. But I don't want any, so I'm just not gonna put any. And then these are just like more effects, like different. So then, like, as you can see, I put one in there, but I don't want to. And you'll see like an arrow up here. And if you click over it, it'll say undo, and that means like you can erase a mistake you made or something like that you've added. You can just take it off by just clicking it, and it goes back to the way you had it. So then we can go to elements, and we're gonna add stickers. And we're just gonna type in Christmas, since this is Christmas themed. And then I also, I forgot to mention that the ones with the crowns are not free. You're gonna have to pay for them. So make sure, like, once you click over the sticker, it says free, and you'll be able to use those. So I'm just gonna look for. Okay, so we're just gonna put like a snowflake in, and then it'll pop up, and just size it to your desired size. Drag it to your desired area. And then I want another one like in the beginning of Mary, so I'm just gonna double click on it. And then it's gonna say copy. And then double click again, paste. And drag it to the other side. And then we're just gonna look for something to fill up, to put under that. So we're gonna look for like animal or Santa Claus. Just put the dog. And then flip it. Okay, so once we're done like doing our little post, so we're gonna since you're gonna post this on your Instagram, and then so I'm just gonna show you how it would like give you an idea of how it would look with like the caption and all. And since like we're talking about translating things, I'm gonna like explain to you how like the caption or like Instagram works. So you're gonna go to text, add a little bit of body text, and then so say you have like Spanish or different language speakers, like on Instagram, like if you write a caption in Spanish and like the user has their Instagram on English settings, like in the bottom it would let you like, you can just put translate to English or like translate to Spanish, whatever language you prefer. So then that's just like how Instagram works. So say like for your Spanish speaking followers, like Feliz Navidad is Merry Christmas. So you would put Feliz Navidad. And then, so we're just gonna make this a little bigger. So then, like, so say this is just like your Instagram post, like it would say something like down here, like translate caption or something like that. So you would just, so the user would just have to click that, and it would automatically translate from Feliz Navidad to Merry Christmas. So yeah, so then you just, once you're done with like your post or like the creation you've made, you just click download and then just download it and then just post it on your Instagram. But you don't have to use like their photos or their templates. Like you can upload one of your pictures or use their like different elements, like they have frames, their stickers, and like all that. So you don't have to use like their photos. You can just use your own or create your own from their elements and all that. That's all we have for today, folks. Today we learned how to make or create an Instagram post, and also you guys learned how the caption thing works on Instagram now, and how it can help to translate captions into another language right there and then. And now feel free to go create your Instagram post and try it out. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.